In today's data-driven world, the ability to understand and use data effectively is a critical workplace skill. That's why CompTIA developed Data Analysis Essentials, a course designed to make data literacy accessible even for non-technical students. This course covers a number of objectives. The first, defining objectives, which help learners clarify questions and set successful criteria. 2, importing and structuring data, allowing learners to work with real data sets. 3, cleaning and transforming data, ensuring accuracy and relevance. 4, combining data sets, using lookups and multiple sources for deeper insights. This course is ideal for students in business, research, or any field where data plays a vital role. It takes about 6 to 8 hours to complete and is self-paced. Each CompTIA Essentials course includes a short competency assessment that reinforces learning and builds confidence. Upon completion, each learner earns a CompTIA competency certificate, which validates their data literacy and understanding of analytical processes. To learn more, visit comptia.org/certifications or speak to your CompTIA training provider.